Hello everyone, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Modern Warfare 2 is having GoldFlake error which is happening for many of the users and how we can fix this out. So first one you just have to do is should be using VPN. That is what you have to do as the first step. When the GoldFlake error is happening, the first step, download a VPN and you have to use the VPN before launching the game. You after using the VPN try to launch the game, and this worked for many users. So this is the first step. Next one is all about you have to restart your PC or console. If you're trying to play the game with any one of these, restart your PC. For that, just go over here and go to this icon and go for restart. After restarting, try to launch the game. Next one, you have to contact the support. That means you have to contact the Activision support and you have to talk to them and they can help you guys out. So these possible workarounds that you have to try, and the first two method, that is using a VPN as well as restarting the PC, both these two steps did work out for many of the users, and I found these two steps from the Reddit. So this did work out for many users. So try with this. Even after trying the first and second method, then talk to the Activision support team where they can do from their end, and these are the possible workaround which you have to try out. So thanks for watching the video, and I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.